What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can check sensitive content on Twitter app. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your Twitter or X app. So after opening the X app, what you have to do, you have to click on your profile and you have to go to on your settings and privacy option. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you so that you can see sensitive content on your Twitter or X app. So after going to privacy settings and privacy, you have to click on privacy and safety option here. So after that you have to find the option called content you see. You have to click on this option. So after clicking on this option, you have to click on search settings. You can see hide sensitive content, remove blocked and muted accounts. So you have to make sure all the options are turned off. If this option is turned on, you have to make sure this option is turned off. So after doing so, you have to go back and you have to open up the sensitive media option. Then you have to go through all the options just like this and make them show all. If this is on the warn option, you have to make them show all. You have to go through this all the options and make sure they are on the show all just like this. So after doing so, you are ready to go. Now you can see sensitive content and sensitive media on your Twitter or X app. So this is it guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.